Top 3 fascinating facts about axolotls. Meet the axolotl, a creature so unique it might just blow your mind. These aquatic wonders can heal like no other animal. Lose a limb? No problem. Axolotls can regrow their legs, heart parts, even parts of their brain. Talk about next-level regeneration. Axolotls walk on the wild side of life by never growing up. Unlike other amphibians, they stay in their adorable larval stage forever, rocking their feathery gills and aquatic lifestyle. It's like hitting the pause button on growing up, permanently. In the wild, axolotls are critically endangered, but there's hope. These little guys thrive as beloved and iconic pets around the globe.